And there's the racy red. Our transport is here, getting ready to load it up. He's gonna make the one-day trip. He leaves tomorrow, then he'll be there tomorrow night. Us, we leave tomorrow, but we're not gonna make it there. We're not gonna go one shot. There's the transport. Here's the racy red, loaded up. And we'll see it in Vegas in a couple days.
Hello my friends, and welcome to the first part of our travel series to our home in Las Vegas 2022. If you're new to my channel, my name is Dee, and I'm a full-time caregiver to my mom, Queen G. In this video, I'm going to share the first days of our travel from San Francisco Bay Area to Edwards Air Force Base in Mojave, California. Did I mention being a family caregiver to my mom? Knowing that, it literally takes us about 4 hours to load and pack up our SUV. Let's just say Queen G doesn't pack lightly. We have a lot of her essentials to bring for her care, as well as her wheelchair, tray table, and Hoyer lift to get her into our SUV safely, which all then gets loaded onto a little trailer hitch attached in the back. It takes a lot of time to load, but just knowing we're gonna get some downtime, some vacation fun, getting to see her family once again, making another trip with my mom, makes it all worth it. It's about a 4.5 to 5 hour drive on our first day, depending on traffic. I'm sure they can't really fly over here like regular airplanes. I think only government airplanes are allowed over here, right?
Military, MOA, military operating area, but they can get permission to fly. They usually get permission to fly through on a day-to-day basis at a certain flight level to make sure that they don't interfere. But there's something going on in the area, the military's operating, they can close it down. They can close the airspace down.
It must be really windy over there because you can see all the dust. You can't see how clear it is out there. Past there, Mom?
Yeah, I knew that New Mexico was burning too.
Oh, really?
It's probably all the smoke in this way too.
I bet you can probably go that way.
Yes, I can.
Take a look because there's a commissary.
You want me to go that way?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's try it.
There's that car came out.
Taking the back road. Taking the back road. Feeling a little saucy. Well, at least we got here safe and sound, huh, Mom?
Yeah.
That's all that really matters, right, Mom?
That's right.
This used to be where the Class 6 used to be.
Oh, okay. Went there for something real quick. And I remember there was a pizza place there.
But there's the back way too.
Over to the Joshua Tree. Oh, there's a vet. A veteran. The vet.
Look what I found in my bra.
What did you find? A French fry, Mom?
Yeah.
We'll give it to a bird. Tax center. Boo. The jungle zone.
Subway.
It's closed.
Domino's.
That's what I saw last time here. Domino's, and it's open.
Post office. What else is open?
Oh, you can go up there and then take a
Yeah,
left.
I think you can.
Airman's Attic. What is that?
Thrift store.
Oh, we gotta stop. Mom, they have a thrift store right there. Airman's Attic.
And then there's a thrift shop.
Oh.
They probably got a lot of uniforms.
teen center, dry cleaners, scuba locker. I don't know what that is.
Oh, outdoor recreation.
Oh, yeah, that's the
like they did.
Yep.
Oh, and that's all their outdoor stuff. Interesting. Oh, looks like we can't get out.
Oh, I gotta go out that way.
No boats, no jet skis in there.
And there's no water out here.
I wouldn't mind going on a bike ride around here. Oh, elementary school. Oh, and I bet you now we just go on that light straight up across.
See,
And we're still recording, honey.
there's Joshua Acres.
Okay. Look at these homes, Mom.
Yeah.
Hello? Anybody home? Oh, look, someone has their lights. They're hanging lights. How cute.
Is there people that stay all year round?
Yeah. We stay in the Joshua Acres.
What you doing, kitty?
Oh, that's her cage door. Opening and closing. On my YouTube channel, there's quite a few people who watch my video that I did. Okay, where are we? Fitzgerald. And then take a left up there. There's a church. Chapel. Mojave Sky Community Center. Ooh, that looks nice. And this is like another preschool. I froze half of the chicken enchiladas. Hopefully they're defrosted by now. I'm just gonna pop it in the microwave or the oven for us, Mom.
That looks like has the branch up there looks like hair.
Looks like hair. Yeah, I do. It's gorgeous. And you can see the moon there too. Here in Mojave. So peaceful. It's beautiful. Master bedroom, guest bath, and then double bed. Just hanging out. Kitty's curious where I'm going. Alright, this is where we stayed last night. We are loading up the car. Last night I stubbed my toe, so one of my toes is all black and blue, so I'm like limping. Hopefully in a couple days that will go away. It is a gorgeous day. I'm hoping it's not going to be high gusty winds like the last couple of days. They've had a red flag warning. But so far, as you can see on the tree, it's not too bad. It's a nice little breeze, but it's really nice out here. We're about 4 hours away, 3.5 hours away. I just opened my mom's Christmas gift, the new Adele 30 CD album. Poor Jay. We'll only listen to like her 3 big old songs on here, I think. How you doing, Mom?
I'm doing good.
I don't know if you hear the jets. Mojave Desert. Mom says, Queen G says, at least they'll be protecting us from up there. I'm like, true that, true that.
America's got very good protection.
Oh, I see. It's going that way.
You don't even.
They're going that way, Mom.
What, west?
Yeah. Headed west. Cool. So now we just have to check out. This base has been pretty good, I must say, huh? It's treated us well, except for that one time. But that's okay, because we got to go to California City for the first time on that. So then this lodging is all open again now?
Mm-hmm.
And may the 4th be with you.
And with you.